Everything we possess is a favor from God. In the world we are living in, God has bestowed unlimited and infinite favors on us. He is the one who is the giver, provider, and sustainer.
Hi my dear friends, please watch this video until the end. Let's take our day-to-day activities and try to understand this concept in detail.
Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications about all our upcoming videos.
We breathe, hear, see, eat, sense and do many of the things in our life. Breathing. We breathe throughout our life. We never experience difficulty in doing this. Hearing. We hear everything since from our childhood without any difficulty. Seeing. We can see as soon as we open our eyes. The sharp and distant images, all three-dimensional and fully colored, are perceived with our eyes. And indeed, we owe this experience to the unique design of our eyes. Eating. We taste different things and differentiate the flavors. The relative proportions of the vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, and protein content of the food that we eat and the metabolic activities going on in the inner system of the human body are terrific machineries governed by our Lord. Sensing. When we hold any material in our hands, we immediately sense whether it is soft or hard, hot or cold. We do not need any mental effort to do this. Pumping of the blood by heart, filtering of the water by kidneys, sweating of the body, and numerous similar detailed activities take place in our body on their own. The organs responsible for these actions have complicated mechanism. The human body functions almost like a factory of enormous complexity and ingenuity. This body is one of the significant favors given to humans since his existence on earth. We are quite unconscious of the complicated operations taking place in our bodies so efficiently. At this point, a question remains to be answered. How the raw materials which are necessary to operate this factory supplied? To put it in another way, how do water, air and all the other nutrients essential for life come into existence? Let us think about the different fruits and vegetables. Melons, watermelons, cherries, oranges, tomatoes, peppers, pineapples, mulberries, grapes, eggplants and etc. all grow in the soil from seeds, and the seeds have a structure sometimes as hard as wood. However, while considering these facts, we should avoid habitual way of thinking and employ different methods. Visualize the delicious tastes and flavors of strawberries or the never-changing flavor of watermelon. Think about the time and energy spent in laboratories to produce similar flavors and repeated trials that result in failures. Indeed, results obtained by scientists in laboratories prove to be no better than their natural counterparts, unsuccessful imitations. The varieties of taste, odor, and color in nature bear matchless attributes indeed. All vegetables and fruits have distinct tastes, smell, and carry specific colors that are the result of the structural design particular to them. They are all favors God bestowed upon the human. Similarly, animals too are created especially for human beings. Apart from these being served as food, humans find their physical appearances appealing like fish, corals, starfish decorating the depths of the ocean with all their beautiful colors, all kinds of birds adding charm to their habitat, cats, dogs, dolphins, and penguins, etc. They are all favors from God to humanity. Dear friends, I want you to think about this fact and ponder on this from your inner heart. We thank many people for some small favors and small help that they do for us. But we humans never bother about thanking the God who created this entire universe only for the sake of human beings and blessed us with countless favors. We can admire anyone in this creation, but we cannot associate anyone with Creator. Creator cannot be part of the creation, nor any created thing can be the creator of this entire universe. When we cannot live our life without these favors of God, then what is stopping us to worship that one true creator God who provides us all these favors? And why do we still worship creation like humans, animals, trees, stones, etc., which cannot give us any of these favors? Instead, they are all dependent on favors of God. The entire creation is dependent on the Creator, and Creator is independent of this creation. Associating any partners to the God and worshipping others beside the God is unforgivable sin of our life. So please start worshipping the Creator and stop worshipping the creation. Strive always to excel in virtue and truth. Thanks for watching. Take care, my friends.